Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We're just taking a quick look at XRP here, but before we begin I would please ask you to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and I would very much appreciate it. So with all that being said, we can take a look at our XRP's chart here. As we can see, looking very promising actually, starting to break out of some of these bear market resistances. As we can see here, we pretty cleanly got this breakout backtest and then run up to the previous swing high here, as you can see, which also happened to be this overall bear market resistance for XRP. You can see we came up to it, pretty much touched it here before getting a rejection back inside the range. You can see we've got this range here where we got that breakout, backtest, but we fell back inside the range, didn't we, with Bitcoin having a bit of a slump. And you can see here XRP came back inside the range, backtested the lows. We broke out our bear market resistance, the first one, run all the way up to the second bear market resistance here. And pretty clear now that we have essentially, put in a little bit of another range here. This is your high and your low of this range. Fell back inside the previous range, but we're back inside this secondary range here. Test, and then obviously roll over to back test the bottom of the range now that we have, essentially had a little bit of a rollover in the market. And we can see here, I did actually have a long position ready at this 0.23 Fibonacci level. These Fibonacci levels, I have been trading them because they are obviously big areas of confluence, especially on these higher time frames. You can see for XRP here, I did have this long position ready, and you can see I actually think I took this position on, well, what day was this? It was probably basically when this got hit straight away on the 0.23 Fibonacci level with a very generous stop loss. Really looking to target back at the top of the range somewhere up here. Right now, we've been chopping sideways for about a week now, just going up and down, haven't we? But really waiting for XRP to make its next move. And you can see here on the macro, I do think we're kind of coiled up really for a nice little move to the upside. In my opinion, XRP, a crypto that has been very kind of a continuous downtrend that we have been seeing for this bear market, but really starting to show some signs of life in my opinion. You can see we've come down, we've made equal lows and equal highs. We've really put in like a full-on range in this area, and I do think if we can come back up, break out this bear market resistance and this previous level of support here as resistance, we're probably going to be looking at a nice little golden little bit of movement to the upside like this for XRP. I do think it's well overdue. You can see it on the long term here, XRP really is just continuing to chop sideways really over the past few years. 5 years really we've had kind of sideways action here on this chart, you can see. And really I do think it's probably time for XRP to shine, especially after this crypto lawsuit. Obviously looking like it was about to start moving in this area here, then we got the SEC lawsuit, and really since then it has been stunting its movement, hasn't it? But I do think sooner rather than later XRP is going to have its day in the sun, and I have got a bag ready for that situation. So that is it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe as always, and you can become a YouTube member if you do want to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.